This is June 12th, 2011. I'm taking a video of my wife's vino parts that I took off and installed the Taiwan big bore. You can see these are all the stock parts right there. And then this is her scooter here. We're going to fire it up for the first time. Tell you how hot it is. Temperature gauge, it's 100 degrees here in Tennessee, so it's very hot. Turn the key on. Turn the switch on. Look at that. Right up, no problem. Sounds good. A little loud. She's got her scooter, her sticker on it. Sounds good. Let you know how she runs.